Hi all, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time of the day you are joining me. I'm Analyst Ankur from House of Analyst Ankur. So today I'm bringing my latest offering to the market. Um, this is a brief overview about me on this particular page. I'm a IT and engineering services advisor, all kind of IT services, engineering, software engineering, product engineering, mechanical services engineering are my forte. Uh, You can visit my website. I will put the website link in the comments channel, in the comments box. I'm a MBA from MDI Gurgaon. I have completed my MBA with majors in marketing and minors in finance. I have completed my bachelor's from NSIT Delhi, now NSUT in automation engineering. Previously, I have supported the analyst and consulting practices at Everest Group and EY Parthenon. Currently, whatever I am doing is not affiliated with any of my past employers. So let me take you to my latest offering. Just a second. Yeah, yeah. So this is the state of digital transformation at top Indian auto ancillaries. When I say top Indian auto ancillaries, what I basically did was I went to Screener and filtered on the market capitalization of these firms and took close to these are 18 of the 25 odd firms. Some of the firms I was not very comfortable in doing the set of analysis. I was not very confident with their capabilities, and hence I have given a pass to them this time because I want to be sure of whatever I'm showcasing to the market. So this is the latest results that have come in. How to read this 2 by 2? This is called as a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2. So uh, low capability, high capability on the x-axis, low capability, high capability on the y-axis. Y-axis, x-axis. So in together we get four quadrants. I have divided in more than four quadrants for the clarity and understanding of my viewers. So see, uh, when we talk about Industry 4.0 manufacturing engineering services, traditionally manufacturing has happened certain way, right? Uh, what are the different value chain parts of it? So let me quickly showcase to you. If you see the different value chain levers, so concentrate on the first column, product design. Once firstly you do the design, then you do the production. Then while you are doing the production, you do the production monitoring, you optimize certain parameters. Then you do quality assurance, quality management, vision control systems come in here. Simply the cameras are checking whether, supposedly the other day I was talking to someone and they were from the liquor industry. So they were telling as to how each bottle should be filled at the right quantity, should be labeled in the right manner, crown should be there at the right place, packaging should be right, compliance uh, labels should be there. Then the next thing is you can say this is a horizontal thing, but I have placed it after quality assurance, which is cost, spend, and supply chain logistics analytics, which is basically understanding how you are managing your suppliers, how logistics you are managing, what kind of cost analytics you are doing, what kind of granular cost analysis you are doing uh, as to understand which are the major cost factors for you. Earlier, in simple terminology, it was called as ABC analysis, but over time, this has converted into more complex granular cost analytics, what we call it now. Finally, after sales, packaging, logistics, waste operations, focusing on net neutrality, um ensuring net zero carbon emissions, or at least progressing towards that. So these are the different value chain levers. I have divided these value chain levers in certain parts are there in X, certain parts are there in Y. So digital design and industry 4.0 manufacturing capabilities are on the X-axis, while whole of the post-manufacturing. When we say post-manufacturing, so once the manufacturing is done, the quality assurance is there. As we saw, the cost analytics is there. Then the whole of uh, after sales support, customer experience management is there. So this is how the 2 by 2 is made. So if you see a company like Exide Industries, it is a company which uh, is not focusing so much on digital design and industry 4.0 manufacturing, but is significantly well placed when it compares to the post manufacturing. So their after sales is very strong. They are digitally enabled it. I'm not going into each of the companies today. However, if you can go through my LinkedIn, I'm putting a spotlight on each of the companies and bringing in as to what are the things that I liked about them. What are the things, what are the outsourcing opportunities for the IT engineering providers in the space? And I have also marked some of the key stakeholders in the LinkedIn post as well, which can be reached out. But these are the set of the companies which have been analyzed. This is a running ranking. I am adding some more companies as well, so this ranking might change a bit because addition of one more player might would move the parameters here and there a bit. But this is the view that is here. Uh, I find it very pleasing that Gabriel India, their market capitalization is nowhere near to some of the companies like Uno Minda and all. But they have done phenomenally well. They are very strongly placed in the industry 4.0 services. And if you see, they are very strong in both the X and the Y, meaning they are doing 360-degree work in it, which is very important. So the other company which caught my attention was Lumax Auto. Lumax, they are also doing work on both the X quadrant and the Y quadrant, X axis and the Y axis, basically the digital design and industry 4.0 manufacturing and post manufacturing. They are doing well, and I am again and again reiterating they are doing out of their market capitalization standards or market value standards. Um, some of the companies, such as Bharat Forge, they have disappointed me a bit because I was expecting a lot more from them, but they have not been so much strong in that space. Some of the companies which are as per expectation are ZF Commercial, JBM Auto, Bosch, Uno Minda, even Motherson. These are very much as per expectation. Shriram Pistons is one company I am expectant because while they haven't done things today, their vision statement clearly says some of the things, and they are that is being said with lot of clarity. When things are said with lot of clarity, I really like it, and I expect that in coming fiscal they would be taking up those initiatives. If any one of you is interested about knowing what specifically each of the company is doing, that is provided in my report. The report is behind the paywall, but you can reach out to me and you can buy the report. As a sample, this is one way you would be able to see to it that, okay, this part of the value chain, product design and development acceleration, uh, what is their digital prowess and which are the use cases which are making their digital prowess. At the same time, I would also help you understand as to what is their IT and engineering business priorities. How are the business priorities correlating into the engineering priorities? That also I will help you. So if you are making a proposal about them, if you are thinking whether you should make a proposal to Gabriel India versus Uno Minda versus Motherson versus Tenneco India, so you should know which are the use cases they are targeting for the fiscal, which are those value chain levers, what is their that language that should be used in the proposal, which are those use cases, which are those relevant themes for them, business themes, engineering themes that are relevant for them, because all the players in this space are differentiating themselves certain way or the other. um, all of them are not doing similar stuff. They are doing different set of stuff to achieve their targeted outcomes. So you need to know their outcomes, you need to know their initiatives which are provided in my report. So what is provided by me in the report, I call it a IT plan. So if you see, there's a priority category. What is the existing capability enhancement that they are doing? What's the business priority of it? What's an engineering priority of it? Then new capability development, what they are doing. M&A and tech transfer, what are they doing? Any focus on operational efficiency and bottom line gain. So how are they trying to achieve it? What are they trying to achieve of it? Any risk and compliance management that they are doing of it. That also is being covered. Then I talk about the key use cases and their importance. These are the standard use cases of digital transformation, innovative product design, faster product development, increased OEE, process optimization and tooling, enhanced quality assurance. So I will give you their planned initiatives, cases, use cases in each of this, along with my point of view on to what are the relevant weights in each of this. This has been reach of my content over the last 1 year. Close to 47,000 unique viewers have read it, have understood it. And I take immense pride in noting that Cognizant, which is one of the leading IT service providers in today's time, Cognizant CEO Ravi has also noticed my work. He mentioned about me in a comment. He thanked me for providing a great summary. So it's been a good journey, and I believe my reports would be helpful to you. You can reach out to me. I'm providing my email ID and website details in the comment box. Do let me know if any of these providers are of interest to you, if any of these enterprises are of interest to you, and if there's any other enterprise that's of interest to you, you can let me know. However, it would be a custom engagement and it would take some more time for me to do that set of analysis, but we can surely have a discussion to understand what I have to offer to you. With this, uh, I am done for today. Let's catch up sometime later as well. And thank you for hearing me out.